Hey, it's Part 64 guy. I got a quick one for you. If you have a house that has outdoor hose faucets, one thing you need to do when the weather starts getting cold is you need to be able to turn these off. What happens is when the temperatures get to below freezing, the cold will cause the water inside these pipes to freeze, and because water expands when it freezes, it can cause the pipes to burst, lead you to very expensive emergency repairs. So I'm going to show you quick how to shut those off and drain the water out so that way you don't have that problem. To demonstrate what happens when pipes freeze, I have two bottles. One is a thin-walled typical water bottle and the other is a vitamin bottle. Both have been filled to the top and tightly capped. Water is one of those unique substances that expands when it freezes, unlike metals that contract as they get colder. The increased size of the ice contained within the shrinking metal pipe makes for a bad combination. After several hours in the freezer, you can see how the bottles have swelled in size. The plastic is more forgiving to this expansion. Copper pipe, however, only gives so much before the internal pressure causes the copper to rupture. Okay, we're now inside the furnace room. This is the pipe coming through the wall. And as you can see here, there is a shut-off valve. All houses, if they were properly plumbed, should have this. It allows you to turn the water off to that spigot without having to shut water off to the rest of the house. Very easy with this type of valve. This is called a ball valve. All you have to do is just rotate it from the on position to the off position. One other thing you want to do is bleed the line. So you want to get the air in here and not have water. And the easy way to do that is you just take this little bleeder and you unscrew it a little bit. All you have to do is unscrew it a little bit. I just want to take it off there to show you. You can see in there is a washer, and that's what helps keep this sealed when it's closed. Older houses may have washer type valves like this, where you turn them down until a washer actually compresses against the seal and shuts off the pipe. Okay, now the valve's turned off inside, we'll just open this up, let that water drain out. The air is coming in through that open bleeder, and now the pipe is full of air, not water, for those first couple of feet, so we shouldn't have a freezing problem. I typically either turn it off or I'll just leave it cracked just a little bit, just to make sure that it doesn't go back up in case that valve is not 100% sealed. But that's it. That's all you have to do. It takes a couple of minutes, but once again, could save you potentially hundreds of dollars in emergency plumbing costs if those pipes were to freeze. So once again, thank you very much. This is Part 64 Guy. I'll see you later.